Okay, the dolphin. This is my spirit animal. Someday you guys might know and understand why, but uh, they are the third smartest mammal, excluding us and chimps. We use these guys to find bombs for us in the military. They protect other human species. They've found people's phones in the bottom of oceans and gave them back to them. Um, they're pretty an amazing animal. They ride waves just for the sheer fun of it. Um, just an amazing creature to have being able to live with. So, next thing, I'm gonna go with an oval, and they are the mammal family. So these guys' tails are what? They are side to side, so they push their water up and down, not left or right. And then down here is, I'm going to go ahead and put in my oval for its bottlenose towards the bottom, not in the middle, okay? Next I'm going to go ahead and put in their triangle right here for their bottom fin. And they do also have the dorsal fin up here, for just like sharks, okay? As we can see him starting to form already. He does take quite a few more shapes than other animals, but once you put them all together, you'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and form him. Put in his top dorsal here. I'm going to go ahead and make this guy sit in front of the backside one. Remember, this one's got to be smaller back here, and this one's got to be bigger. So then here we have the front fin, and then we're going to go ahead and bring this in down here to the top piece. And they have a really cute underbite. I'm going to swing that back up. So that means their bottom mouth goes over top of their top, and then voila, you have the dolphin. And I know, I almost forgot, he needs a blowhole up here too. He needs to breathe. So, and what's cool about dolphins is they actually take conscious breaths. They choose to breathe. We as humans, we don't. So, all right, enjoy.